Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Hostinger account. So first of all, log in to Hostinger, and then what you're going to do, click on your profile icon and then select the account or profile settings, and then scroll down to find the delete account or close account option. Follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. You may need to verify your decision via email, and after completing these steps, your Hostinger account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to back up any data, any important data before proceeding. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.